Hello and welcome to another video. Have you ever wondered why coding is essential for mastering the art of hacking? In this video, I'll give you 7 reasons why hackers need to be fluent in the language of code. So, without further ado, let's get to it. The first reason that we have on our list is empowering problem-solving skills. Coding is more than just typing lines of text into a computer. It's about problem-solving and logical thinking. When you write code, you are essentially giving instructions to a computer on how to perform specific tasks. This process requires you to think logically, step by step, to achieve the desired outcome. Imagine you are writing a program to search for a particular piece of information in a large data set. To accomplish this task, you need to logically plan how the program will navigate through the data to find what you are looking for. This logical thinking is fundamental to coding and translates directly to problem solving in cybersecurity. As a coder, you will encounter various challenges and obstacles along the way. Whether it's debugging code to find and fix errors, optimizing code for better performance, or finding creative solutions to complex problems, coding teaches you valuable problem-solving techniques. One of the most critical skills coding imparts is the ability to break down complex problems into smaller, more manageable tasks. In cybersecurity, where threats are constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated, this skill is invaluable. For example, when securing a network against cyber attacks, you might need to tackle tasks like securing individual devices, setting up firewalls, implementing encryption protocols, and monitoring network traffic. By breaking down these complex issues into smaller parts, you can approach each aspect systematically, making it easier to identify and address vulnerabilities. The second reason on our list is understanding technology inside out. By delving into coding, hackers gain a deep understanding of the intricate mechanisms behind various technologies, such as software, networks, and systems. This knowledge isn't just about writing code, but understanding how it functions under the hood. Picture it as peeking behind the curtains of a magic show to see how the tricks are performed. For hackers, this insight is invaluable. It's like having a detailed map of a fortress before planning a siege. When they know how the code operates, they can spot weak points and hidden vulnerabilities that might go unnoticed by others. It's akin to being able to read the signs of weakness in a structure's foundation, making it easier to exploit those weaknesses effectively. This deeper understanding allows hackers to navigate through complex systems with ease, identifying potential entry points and loopholes that could be exploited for various purposes. Whether it's gaining unauthorized access to a network or manipulating software behavior, knowing the technology inside out gives hackers a significant advantage in their endeavors. The third reason on our list is building custom tools and exploits. When we talk about building custom tools and exploits, we are essentially discussing the ability of proficient hackers to develop specialized software and techniques designed to exploit vulnerabilities in computer systems or applications. Now, imagine you are trying to break into a highly secure building. Sure, you could try using standard lock-picking tools available on the market, but what if those tools don't work because locks are different or more sophisticated than the usual? This is where the concept of building custom tools comes into play. Hackers who know how to code can develop their software tools tailored to the specific security measures they encounter. This customization allows them to bypass defenses that off-the-shelf solutions might miss. It's akin to a locksmith creating a unique set of lock-picking tools designed explicitly for a particular type of lock. Moreover, writing custom exploits enables hackers to take advantage of vulnerabilities that haven't been discovered or patched yet. It's like finding a hidden entrance or weak spot in the building structure that others might overlook. Our fourth reason on the list is analyzing malicious code. Analyzing malicious code is a crucial skill for hackers, and it involves breaking down and examining code that has been designed with harmful intentions. Hackers who are proficient in coding possess the ability to dissect this malicious code, which means they can carefully examine its structure, commands, and behavior. When hackers analyze malicious code, they aim to understand two main aspects: its functionality and its intent. Understanding the functionality of the code involves unraveling what it does and how it operates. This includes identifying any hidden commands, functions, or processes embedded within the code. By doing so, hackers can uncover potential vulnerabilities or backdoors that could be exploited by cyber attackers. Additionally, hackers seek to discern the intent behind the malicious code. This involves determining the purpose or goal of the code, such as stealing sensitive information, compromising system integrity, or launching a cyber attack. By understanding the intent of the code, hackers can anticipate the actions of cybercriminals and develop strategies to defend against their malicious activities. Having the ability to analyze malicious code provides hackers with valuable insights into the methods and techniques employed by cybercriminals. It allows them to stay one step ahead of potential threats by identifying and mitigating security vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. Furthermore, this knowledge enables hackers to contribute to the development of effective cybersecurity measures and tools, ultimately helping to protect individuals, organizations, and systems from cyber attacks. Our fifth reason on the list is contributing to open source security projects. One significant advantage of learning to code for hackers is the opportunity to contribute to open source security projects. These projects, such as Metasploit or Snorts, are vital components of the cybersecurity landscape, providing tools and solutions that help defend against cyber threats. When hackers learn to code, they gain the ability to understand, modify, and even create software. This knowledge opens the door to actively participating in open source projects. By getting involved in these projects, hackers not only enhance their coding skills, but also contribute to the improvement and development of the security tools used by professionals worldwide. Contributing to open source projects offers several benefits. First and foremost, it allows hackers to apply their skills in a real-world context, working on projects that have a direct impact on cybersecurity. This practical experience helps them gain a deeper understanding of security concepts and techniques. Moreover, collaborating with other developers and security experts within the open source community provides valuable learning opportunities. By sharing knowledge, exchanging ideas, and receiving feedback, hackers can continually refine their coding abilities and stay updated on the latest trends and technologies in cybersecurity. Additionally, contributing to open source projects allows hackers to build a reputation within the cybersecurity community. By making meaningful contributions and demonstrating their expertise, they can establish themselves as trusted professionals in the field. This recognition not only opens up new career opportunities, but also fosters a sense of pride and accomplishment. Our sixth on the list is automating repetitive tasks. In the realm of cybersecurity, hackers often find themselves confronted with repetitive tasks that can consume significant time and effort. These tasks may include routine checks, data analysis, or system maintenance, among others. Coding offers a powerful solution to this challenge by enabling the automation of such repetitive tasks. By leveraging programming languages and scripting, hackers can develop custom tools and scripts tailored to their specific needs. These tools can then be used to automate various aspects of their workflow, streamlining processes and reducing manual intervention. For example, consider a scenario where a hacker needs to scan multiple systems for vulnerabilities regularly. Without automation, this task would involve manually running vulnerability scans on each system, a tedious and time-consuming process. However, by writing a script or utilizing existing tools, such as those available in frameworks like Python or PowerShell, the hacker can automate the scanning process. They can schedule scans to run at predefined intervals, analyze the results automatically, and generate reports without manual intervention. Automation not only saves time but also enhances productivity and accuracy. By delegating repetitive tasks to automated scripts or tools, hackers can focus their attention on more challenging and strategic aspects of cybersecurity, such as identifying novel attack vectors, developing advanced exploitation techniques, or enhancing defensive strategies. Furthermore, automation fosters consistency and reliability in cybersecurity operations. Scripts and tools perform tasks in a consistent manner, adhering to predefined parameters and standards. This consistency minimizes the risk of human error and ensures that tasks are executed reliably each time they are run. And last but not least, our seventh reason: staying ahead of evolving threats. In the world of cybersecurity, the threats and challenges that hackers face are constantly evolving. New vulnerabilities are discovered, and attackers are always finding innovative ways to exploit them. To stay ahead in this ever-changing landscape, hackers need to be adaptable and proactive. This is where coding skills become invaluable. When hackers know how to code, they have the ability to develop their own tools and techniques to defend against emerging threats. Instead of relying solely on off-the-shelf security solutions, they can create custom software tailored to their specific needs. For example, if a new type of malware emerges that traditional antivirus programs can't detect, a hacker with coding skills can write their own detection algorithms to identify and neutralize the threat. Similarly, if a vulnerability is discovered in a commonly used software application, a skilled hacker can develop patches or workarounds to mitigate the risk. Coding also allows hackers to automate repetitive tasks and streamline their workflows. This not only saves time and efforts, but also allows them to focus on more strategic aspects of cybersecurity, such as threat analysis and risk assessment. Furthermore, the ability to code fosters a deeper understanding of how systems and networks operate. By dissecting and analyzing code, hackers gain insight into the inner working of software and infrastructure, which can help them identify weaknesses and develop more effective attack strategies. That's all for now, guys. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the importance of coding for hackers. With each line of code you write, you are empowering yourself to tackle new challenges and defend against emerging threats in the cybersecurity landscape. If you found this video informative, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future content. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep hacking and coding. Bye bye!